Close your eyes and picture a future where connectivity knows no bounds, where cities are seamlessly connected and dreams become a reality. Today, we open the doors to India's future as we explore the top 5 upcoming infrastructure projects that will rewrite the nation's destiny. Our first project on the list is the Mumbai-Ahmedabad High-Speed Rail Project. This ambitious endeavour aims to connect the bustling cities of Mumbai and Ahmedabad through a state-of-the-art high-speed rail network. With an estimated budget of Rs 1.1 trillion, this project promises to revolutionize transportation, shorten travel times, and enhance connectivity between these economic powerhouses. Moving on, we have the Navi Mumbai International Airport, a crucial project designed to meet the soaring demand for air travel in the Mumbai region. With an impressive capacity to handle up to 60 million passengers annually, this airport is set to become one of the largest in the country. With an estimated cost of Rs 167 billion, this project will provide a boost to the regional economy and elevate the air travel experience for millions. Now let's delve into the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, a monumental infrastructure project aimed at creating a world-class industrial zone spanning approximately 1483 kilometers. The DMIC project will fuel India's manufacturing sector by establishing 6 new industrial cities and a dedicated freight corridor. This initiative will enhance trade, generate employment, and strengthen the nation's economic fabric. The Sagarmala project takes center stage as a comprehensive initiative to develop India's maritime infrastructure and unlock the immense potential of its coastline. With an estimated cost of Rs 6 trillion, this transformative project involves constructing new ports, modernizing existing ones, and establishing coastal economic zones. By promoting coastal shipping and inland waterways, the Sagarmala project will facilitate trade, create job opportunities, and drive economic growth. Last but certainly not least, we have the Bharatmala Pariyojana, a visionary road infrastructure project that aims to connect the entire nation through an extensive network of highways. Spanning an impressive distance of approximately 83,677 kilometers, this project will involve the construction of new highways and the expansion of the existing ones. With an estimated budget of Rs 6.9 trillion, the Bharatmala Pariyojana will significantly improve connectivity across India, benefiting trade, travel, and regional development. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and inspiring, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.